In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder columns in Excel. Reordering columns is a quick way to make your worksheet easier to read and analyze. Maybe you want date right next to amount, or you'd like to bring customer to the front so it's the first thing you see. Here's the clean, reliable way to do it without copying, pasting, or risking your data. Start by moving your cursor to the header of the column you want to move. That's the top cell with the column's label, just below the table name or title and above the data itself. You want to be on the actual header cell of the column, not somewhere in the middle of your data. If the column isn't obviously selected yet, a single click on that header will focus it, so Excel knows which column you're aiming to move. Now, slowly position your mouse near the border of that header cell until the cursor changes into a four-headed arrow. This icon is Excel's visual cue that you're in move mode. Not typing, not selecting, and not resizing. If you see a double-headed arrow instead, that means you're on the resize handle. Nudge your mouse a bit until you get the four arrows. Take your time here. The right cursor confirms Excel is ready to move the entire column as a unit, keeping your data aligned across the row. Once you've got the four-headed arrow, press and hold the Shift key, then click, and start dragging the column left or right to its new position. As you drag, watch for the vertical insertion bar that shows exactly where the column will land. Keep holding Shift the whole time. This tells Excel to insert the column in a new spot rather than overwriting anything. When the insertion bar is exactly where you want it, release the mouse first, then release Shift. The entire column, including its header and all the data below it, will snap into place, and your table stays intact with every row preserved. A couple of quick tips as you work. If the column doesn't move, double-check that you had the four-headed arrow before you started dragging, and that Shift was held down from the moment you clicked. If your table has filters or formatting, everything will travel with the column, so you won't need to redo any of that. And if you change your mind, a simple undo will take you right back. That's all there is to it. Hover on the header, confirm the four-headed arrow, hold Shift, and drag to reorder your columns with confidence.